Hi, my name is Kayla. I'm 20 years old and I'm a level 1 welder and an NDT trainee here at DeVal Lifecycle Support. Today I will be sharing how I got involved with DeVal. DeVal is a defense manufacturing company in Northeast Philadelphia. We have over 70 years of experience building components for the Navy and the maritime industrial base. I found out about DeVal while I was a student at Community College of Philadelphia. We attended a career discovery event and one of my professors introduced me to DeVal, and I was able to learn more about DeVal and set up an interview. I knew I wanted to be on DeVal's team once I walked into the shop floor. The way everybody was just so welcoming and they just felt like family, like I'd known them forever. The way that DeVal supports me makes me feel like I can grow and be a part of something that truly matters. The people who really encouraged me were my mom and my sister. People often doubted me in this line of work, but they never did. Their support pushed me to work hard, take on challenges, and go after opportunities even when they felt scary. Because of them, I gained the confidence to keep learning and growing in a male-dominated field. I love welding because of how hands-on the work is. It's exciting to watch something that I made take shape. Plus, working with fire is pretty cool too. I want to thank my mom, my sister, and professors for always believing in me and starting me on this journey. I also want to thank DeVal for giving me the chance to learn and grow and be a part of a supportive team. Working in the shop has helped me grow my skills and experience in welding, which opened the door to move into a new NDT position. Looking ahead, I want to earn more certifications and train others who are new to the trade. I want to thank DeVal and the Navy Thailand Pipeline for giving me this opportunity.